Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host, Emma. Today we're looking at a major shakeup in the electric vehicle world. The Washington state legislature just passed a new tax that's sending shockwaves through the industry. This tax is all about zero-emission vehicles, also known as ZEVs, and how they're being sold in the state. You see, to comply with California's zero-emission vehicle program, manufacturers like Tesla have been racking up huge surpluses of ZEV credits that they've been selling to other companies for years. And it's estimated that Tesla has earned a whopping $10.7 billion through these sales alone. But now, the state is stepping in and saying that those credits aren't as valuable as you might think. The new tax on ZEV credit sales could generate up to $77.9 million in its first year, with 70% of that revenue going straight into the state general fund. And make no mistake, this tax is not just aimed at Tesla. It's a warning shot across the bow for any other electric vehicle manufacturer looking to cash in on these credits. The problem is, by taxing ZEV credit sales, we're essentially putting a price tag on the very system that was meant to incentivize more manufacturers to produce zero-emission vehicles. And that could have some unintended consequences. I mean, think about it. If Tesla and other companies are no longer making as much money from selling these credits, won't they be less inclined to invest in electric vehicle production? It's a classic case of the government trying to regulate what was initially intended to be a free market solution. As Rep. Joe Fitzgibbon put it, we never intended for this program to be a source of windfall profits for one manufacturer. But the question now is, will this tax achieve its goal of driving more manufacturers towards zero-emission production? One thing's for sure, Washington state is paving the way for other states to follow suit. Right now, 17 other states are also participating in California's ZEV program, and if we're going to create a level playing field, we need to make sure everyone's on equal footing. But that raises more questions about how this will all play out. For now, it's up to Governor Bob Ferguson to decide what action to take. He's got 20 days to review the bill and will be keeping an eye on how he decides to proceed. One thing is certain, though, this tax is a wake-up call for the electric vehicle industry, and we can't wait to see how it all unfolds. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for joining us on Electro Drive News.